Hello, welcome back to another episode of e-reading. My name is Elvin, and today I will be reading The Book with No Pictures. This is a super fun book I've read before, and once I saw it and I remembered about this book, I instantly went to the library to pick it up because it is a book that's really meant to be read to somebody as opposed to reading by yourself. And I think you'll find out why once we get started. So let's read The Book with No Pictures. That sounds boring, maybe. Let's find out. The Book with No Pictures by B.J. Novak. This is a book with no pictures. It might seem like no fun to have someone read you a book with no pictures. It probably seems boring and serious. Except, here's how books work. Everything the words say, the person reading the book has to say. No matter what. That's the deal. That's the rule. So that means even if the words say, blork. Wait, what? That doesn't even mean anything. Blurf. Wait a second, what? This isn't the kind of book I wanted to read. And I have to say every word the book says? Uh-oh. I am a monkey who taught myself to read. What? Hey, I'm not a monkey. And now I am reading you this book with my monkey mouth in my monkey voice. That's not true. I'm not a monkey. Yes, I am a monkey. Also, I am a robot monkey. What? And my head is made of blueberry pizza. Wait, what? Wait? Is this whole book a trick? Can I stop reading, please? No? And now it's time for me to sing you my favorite song. Wait, a song? Do I really have to sing a glug, 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 my face is a bug. I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. What? Oh, this book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading it? No? There are more pages? I have to read the rest? My only friend in the whole wide world is a hippo named Boo Boo Butt. What? Boo Boo Butt? And also, the kids I'm reading this book to is the best kid ever in the history of the entire world. Oh, really? And this kid is the smartest kid, too, because this kid chose this book even though it had no pictures. Because kids know that this is the book that makes grown-ups have to say silly things. And make silly sounds. Like, oh no, here it comes. Glurgawoko, Margroomfadu, Broog, 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 Oomph, Eeumph, Blaggedy, Blaggedy, Glibbity, Globbity, Globbity, Glibbity, Beep, Bop, Badungi face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please don't ever make me read this book again. It is so silly. In fact, it is completely and utterly preposterous. Next time, please choose a book with pictures. Please. Because this is just too ridiculous to read. The end. Bonk. I didn't want to say that. So I hope you agree that this silly, silly book was lots of fun to watch, to read, and to listen to. I had lots of fun reading it, and this is a great book that teaches children that books are pretty powerful in that way, that the person reading it has to read it, and you don't need pictures, and sometimes sounds, imagination, that kind of stuff can make a book really, really fun to read as well. So that's the book with no pictures. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if there's any other books you'd like me to read in the monthly roundup video. Until next episode, be gentle and kind with one another. Bye now.